So here is our newly rebuilt 2E engine. Gone through, installed it in the car, set all the valves, filled it up with oil and water. We've gone ahead and cranked it without spark plugs in to get oil pressure up. Then once the oil pressure light was turning off, we've reinstalled the spark plugs. Just gone through and checked all the valve lash again. And we'll put the cover on, put some gas in it and see if it starts up. Alright, so we've gone ahead and plugged in the distributor. Now we're going to crank the engine. It's probably going to take a while to start because there was no fuel in it. All the fuel lines in the carburetor will be dry, so it'll take a bit to pump through. Keys on and neutral, ready to go. G'day folks, we're here in the Corolla. It is running very well. It's been about 184 k's since we've installed it in the car. It's been about 2 weeks. We've ironed out most of the little electrical niggles, one being the temperature gauge would always go to hot because there was a ground wire missing from the engine, but that's been sorted out. We're just running the engine in, we're just loading up the rings, not being silly with it. You don't want to bring the RPMs up too high until maybe about 500 k's or so, because bearings, as they're new, they have high spots. You don't want metal on metal. So without further ado, let's go for a wee drive. Running the C152 gearbox instead of the C150, so it has slightly different gear ratios. Being the gearbox has less Ks on it, but it seems to go very well, it pulls very nicely. I guess that wraps it up. Thank you for watching.